The Maldives is one of the best places to relax and rejuvenate yourself on a nice vacation. The Maldives is considered a paradise on Earth. Tourists visit this place for family vacations, solo trips, honeymoon tours, or friends outing. When one thinks of the activities they can try in the Maldives, they find a long list. It is a never-ending list filled with adventurous, exciting, and thrilling activities. You can choose from a wide variety of activities, be it island hopping, trying water sports, shopping locally, or enjoying authentic Maldivian cuisine. This island offers you too many things to enjoy, from relaxing in your beautiful resorts to enjoying exciting night parties on the beaches. Here are the top 10 things you should not miss while exploring the Maldives. Number 1. Scuba diving. Don't forget to try the most unusual and fun underwater activity, scuba diving, on your visit to Maldives. You need a perfect diving site to enjoy the best scuba diving experience. Maya Thila is a beautiful location in this paradise to enjoy scuba diving. The mesmerizing beauty of the underwater world will leave you stunned. This would be an experience for you. You can try it alone or in a group. Get a look at the exotic water beauties of Maldivian beaches. Catch sight of the beautiful water creatures, corals, and whatnot. Number 2. Sunset cruise excursion. If you are someone who craves beautiful views, then you should try a sunset cruise excursion in the Maldives. You can either enjoy this experience on a cruise or just visit a beach. You will be relaxed after this peaceful experience. The company of your loved ones would also enhance this part of your tour. You will be looking at some of the most beautiful sceneries while looking at a sunset. If you take a cruise ride, this would also be a very new experience for you. Number 3. Island hopping. One of the most popular and famous tourist activities is island hopping in the Maldives. Your whole tour will be incomplete if you do so. The Maldives is home to more than 1,000 islands in total. No one can visit them all at once, but you can visit some of the best of them. It would be best to visit the Mafushi Island, North Male Island or South Male Island, and many more. Pay a visit to these islands, try the cuisine out there, enjoy some thrilling activities, party, relax, and end your adventurous trip with a bundle of memories. Number 4. Visiting bioluminescent beach. The bioluminescent beach in the Maldives is popular among tourists as the glowing beach on Vadu Island is a must-visit spot. Enjoy your evening here with a view not to be forgotten any time in your life. This sea of stars will leave you amazed. The glowing phenomena of the seawater make it a must-visit place. Don't forget to include this in your itinerary. Number 5. Relax in spa sessions. Relax and rejuvenate yourself in various spa sessions in the Maldives. People love Maldivian spa experiences. You should try this experience once. Couple spa sessions are famous among tourists too. You can enjoy this relaxing experience either in your resorts or somewhere in the Maldives. Number 6. Explore the Male City. Explore the Male City of Maldives wholeheartedly. Enjoy leisure walking on the streets of this wonderful city. You can enjoy many activities here, such as water sports, shopping in the local market, trying local cuisine, taking a stroll on the beaches, etc. Number 7. Enjoy a romantic dinner. If you are on your honeymoon or even on a typical couple's holiday, a romantic candlelight dinner in the Maldives is necessary. Romantic dinner with your soulmate is one of the best things to do on your honeymoon in Maldives. You get to spend quality time with your partner with a beautiful view before you behold. This would be a very romantic and memorable experience for you, a peaceful time to remember. Number 8. Try skydiving. Skydiving is one of the best adventurous experiences anyone can have in the Maldives. Fly in the air and experience this exciting thrill at least once in your life. Catch a bird's eye view of Maldives and enjoy the beautiful scenic beauty. You don't need to worry about safety, as this activity is performed under experienced and professional pilots. Number 9. Dolphin cruise excursion. Ever wish to see cute little dolphins playing freely in the water? Then your wish is fulfilled on this dolphin cruise excursion. This would be a joyous experience for you. Do not miss this chance on a family holiday, as kids would be very fascinated with this view. Number 10. Explore mosques for history. One should surely visit the Friday Mosque of Maldives. If you want to know about Maldivian history, this place is for you. Adorned with beautiful Islamic architecture, this mosque stands amongst the Maldives' most ancient and famous mosques. Thanks you for watching. Subscribe, like and share.